Welcome to our quick guide on monitoring your platform's interactions and metrics using the Enhanced Analytics feature. Sign into your CustomGPT app. Next, navigate to Project Analytics. In the Query section, you can see metrics like total queries, users, and failures, which indicate when the AI agent did not respond. In the Conversations section, you can view the total number of conversations, unique user sessions, and the number of sessions recorded. Use the drop-down menu to filter these metrics by today, this week, default, month, or all time. Next, you can see percentages comparing the current week to the previous week are displayed in green for higher values and red for lower values. Finally, analyze trends in user engagement. Review the average daily conversations graph. In the user feedback section, monitor the positive and negative feedback. Use the drop-down menu to filter these metrics. User engagement is summarized by thumbs up and down icons, providing a quick view of user feedback. Check the daily breakdown and user locations for detailed daily performance and geographic data. Additional insights like user types, sources, browsers, and query statuses are displayed in pie charts at the bottom of the page. Congratulations! You successfully navigated the Queries and Conversations analytics. Regular monitoring helps improve user engagement and system performance. Get started now and unlock powerful customer support today. Visit CustomGPT.ai.